Welcome back, everyone. Little Sunday afternoon project I just finished up. A friend of mine was concerned that one of his devices was spewing a little bit of noise onto his mains, so I offered to create a little EMI filter for him to try and prevent some of that from happening. Have no idea at this point whether it really will help, but as I said, it was a fun afternoon project. I just took a regular power cable, a regular IEC cable like this, cut it in half, spliced it into this little terminal block here, and then connected in this EMI filter. The grounds for all of them are there, of course, live to live, neutral to neutral, and so on and so forth. Connected all the cable in to get it to stay in the box using these little grommets, these little cable reliefs that just snap together, and had a little bit of fun drilling holes and screwing things into place, and even managed to use these lovely little ferrules here that you stick on the end of wires and clamp down with this crimp connector here. And that does a lovely job when you want to stick some wires into a terminal block like this and you don't want them fraying everywhere. On the filter side, it was already soldered, so I didn't have a concern with that on that side, but for this little 18 gauge mains cable, I wanted to make sure that didn't happen. So there you go, a fun little Sunday afternoon project. Hope you're enjoying yourselves out there, and as usual, if you're having fun watching my exploits, always appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Have yourself a great one. Bye-bye.